Hi there. Years ago, I made this video, which still has a lot of views on a regular basis. But things have changed in installing Microsoft Project. Let's have a look.
Congratulations, you are now the proud owner of a license for Microsoft Project, Professional or Standard, or maybe you have one of these Plan 3 or Plan 5 licenses, which are monthly recurring licenses, but also include that Project Desktop. Great. So now what? How do we install Microsoft Project Desktop? We navigate to our main page for Microsoft nowadays, which is m365.cloud.microsoft. You might need to log in, but this is the main page that you navigate to. Once you are there, there's this little app button here. And now, seeing this for the first time, I see that there's something missing here. There should be a button that says Install Apps. I have that on another screen as well. And it navigates to the same page. So this is frustrating, right? We have that apps here and we have that install apps here, but we don't see that on a fresh M365 Cloud Microsoft loaded screen. So how do we get there? So maybe we can click on all. No, that doesn't work either. So what we do is I navigate to my profile. From my profile, once I logged in, I can see my overview, what I am, where I'm at, and I click on My Apps. I navigate to Context And again, and from here, I also don't see that apps. Where is that? So this is frustrating, right? You don't have that install apps really available. So the trick here is navigating to that hamburger, explore all your apps, and from the explore all your apps, you're presented with that install apps. So clicking on install apps, let's click on that button here. Microsoft 365 apps. And from this page, what you'll see once it loads is that apps and devices, and here is your project license, which you can have as a 64-bit or a 32-bit version as well. Installing project runs an install file and you are presented with Microsoft Project on your desktop. All right, so you might also think, well, I would just navigate to portal.office.com. But if I do, I am navigated back to my Microsoft Cloud at Microsoft, which, as we know, if I click on apps, well, all of a sudden, I do have that install apps if I navigate it through the portal, which is a little bit strange. So maybe apps, and then from portal home, if I remove that portal home, what would happen? I can still click on that apps and I still get that apps now. So if I copy this whole location, do I then get the install apps? I do. So what happens, and I'm just figuring things out here. So you can just like and subscribe if this was enough for you, or you can just stick around and see where the rabbit hole goes. So I have that cloud.microsoft. I click on apps. Now I do have that. So what happens if I open up a new window and I go to m365.cloud.microsoft on a new page here, and now I have that install apps. Was it a fluke? I think it was. What happened? I don't know, but there's methods to get there. So Microsoft 365 apps, the install button gets you to this ancient page. I will also put a link in the show notes to this direct page so that you don't need to go all through the rabbit holes that I showed you today. I had fun. Thanks for watching. See you next time.